Hey guys, it's another meme. So, sorry for not uploading for 2 weeks. I didn't upload because I waited for a package to come and it's finally arrived. It arrived fucking early than I thought it would be, but yeah, so in the last video you hear my bad sound quality. And I'm sorry for that. I wanna have a good quality videos in my channel, so I'm going to upload more for now. And yeah, I bought this thing, should be better for my videos. And yeah, so what's inside? I didn't go too crazy with the stuff I bought. I don't know what is this, but let's get right into the important stuff. I bought the blue snowball, and I didn't buy the blue yeti because at the time I didn't have enough money to buy the blue yeti, and it's like more expensive, and I'm saving money for a laptop, like a gaming laptop, and the gaming laptop will cost $900. And I don't have a job, I'm a kid, I'm 13 years old, and yeah, so I can get a job, so no money for me. I was actually unboxing it for my phone, but I want to record this for my computer because I had issues recording with my phone and it's less quality. I think this camera is 720p, not the quality I'm going for the channel, but it's fine. 720p, it's like, it's not terrible. And yeah, I was like, I come home and I see a package from Amazon. I was like, it's and I was like, oh shit, I hit my food. Then I was like checking if my phone is downstairs and ask her if it's my package or something she bought, and it was my package. So yeah, so I was happy and I'm excited. I know there is a lot of different mods with that, so yeah. This is the cable. I really like how the cable looks. I know from reviews and stuff, but look at this cable. I don't think it has enough length, but it's an awesome cable. Yeah, and this is the stand for the mic. You need to do that like that, and then you just screw the mic in. Sorry if my English is not the best. My English is my second language, is not my, it's, I don't use English on a daily basis. Oh crap. Oh, this is heavier than I thought. And I like how this microphone looks. It's like dirty and stuff right now, but I can clean it easily. It's brand new. I didn't buy used because it's a cheap microphone. Why would I go used on this cheap? I don't buy used stuff all that, like I never do. But so yeah, this is the stand. Oh my god, I'm not doing it right. Let's change ends. Can't. And just screw it in. I don't want to break anything. I want this microphone to live, so I won't plug anything to this mic yet. So this is the microphone. Let's put it here. I'm excited, like seriously. Oh, this is my old microphone. Oh shit, don't go, man. I need you. This is my old microphone. If it's broken, as you can see, This is a fake BM800. I thought it was the real microphone, but it turned out I bought this from eBay. What do you expect? I didn't know a lot about tech. Right now, the BM800 is cheap in Amazon and it's better than the Blue Snowball, but you need phantom power for the Blue Snowball. And yeah, I'm going to do a comparison in the end of the video, so yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm going to have a lot of editing today, so if you enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, peace. Hey, this is a test for my fake BM800. Test. Hey, this is a test for my fake BM800 from longer distance. Hey, this is a test for my Blue Snowball from a really close distance. Hey, this is a test for my Blue Snowball in the same distance that I talked in the second test with the fake BM800. So, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope I helped you. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. I'm going to upload more videos in the future. Now I have this quality microphone, I can post better quality video. I'm going to upload Overwatch as well. So yeah, leave a like, sub, bye.